Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, Shashrikal. I brought you a new topic, how to testing of IGBTs. Insulated gate bipolar transistor is a combination of MOSFET and BJT. MOSFET is a voltage control device. BJT is a current control device. Features of IGBT: low on state voltage drop, low on state power loss. IGBT has a high efficiency and high switching frequency. These IGBTs are specially designed for SINAMICS S120 drives. While transport of a new IGBT, terminal 1 and 2 are in short. Before checking of IGBT condition, we have to open the short link. When checking of a new IGBT module, required one multimeter which is having diode mode. First of all, put the multimeter in diode mode. Measure the values across the terminals, which is shown in figure. Now check the terminals of IGBT in forward and reverse mode. 6 to 7 forward and 6 to 7 reverse. Now 4 to 5 and reverse. Now 3 to 6 forward and reverse. Now 3 to 7 forward and reverse. Now 3 to 4 forward and reverse. Now you will measure to 1 to 7 forward and reverse. Now you will measure 1 to 5 forward and reverse, as well as measure 3 to 5 forward and reverse will get open. Now we will measure 2 to all, that is gate to all points. In this condition, all values are open. These type of IGBT modules you can use in high power converters and motor drives. We can see here test report and circuit diagram. Each IGBT module having 7 terminal points. Each module 2 IGBTs. Each IGBT having emitter, collector and gate. In next video, I will show you assembling of parts, simulation and pre-charging of drive. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.